The customer is always right, except at the expense of our team. And that's what we're talking about today. It's the topic most contractors and business owners don't really ever want to talk about, but we are a great company and we do tremendous work for literally thousands and thousands of homeowners across Macomb, Oakland, and Wayne County. But we're not right for everyone. So today we're going to talk about the 6 different types of homeowners that, quite frankly, we're just not the right fit for. First one, really straightforward. I have a lot of family members like this, the perfectionist. The reality is, in home renovation and home remodeling, nothing is actually perfect. And our first goal is always to give you an absolutely sound and correct roofing or siding system. Sometimes that doesn't make things look perfect, even though it's the proper way to do it. You got to remember, there's no wall that's perfectly straight, no slope on the roof that's completely uniform. There's bends, there's bows, and quite frankly, if you are expecting perfection, well, my team works really hard and delivers an excellent service and delivers excellent results. We do not deliver perfect. And we're okay with that because we stand behind everything that we do and we always make it right. But notice we never say we make it perfect. We make it right. So if you're looking for perfection, we're just not right for you. Number 2, cheapest. If you are looking for the cheapest roof repair, cheapest siding, cheapest gutter, that's not going to be us, flat out. We wouldn't be able to stand behind our work and our craftsmanship and deliver the exceptional customer service that we do if we actually were the cheapest contractor. There are real costs that go into those guarantees and those protections that we offer to our clients to ensure you have an excellent experience and to ensure you have the peace of mind of never having to worry about your roof or siding again. And those are real costs. And we do charge for them, but in exchange, you're going to get a great experience and an excellent final product. Number 3, if you're looking for servants, we talk about it all the time. We live to serve. Our mission is proving there's a better way to serve. Unfortunately, there are homeowners out there who, once the first check is exchanged, for some reason, think that gives them the right to act as king and queen. And my team suddenly becomes their servants and talks to them in a different way and can be demeaning. If you're looking for servants, we're not going to be the right fit. If you're looking for a team of really positive people who are experts, who are there to serve you, who are there to give you that great experience and end product, that's us. But if you think that my team is there to take the verbal abuse or anything like that, we're not going to be the right fit for you. Number 3, experts. Man, if you already know what's wrong with your roof and you've come up with your scope and you know exactly what you want, we're probably not going to be the right ones. You know, we look for homeowners who are looking for a partnership, who really want an expert to help them, to guide them, to serve them throughout the process. If you want to be that person yourself, we're just probably not the right fit for you, but I'm sure there's going to be contractors out there who are. The next one, we get this one a lot. Bids. Just leave the quote in the mailbox. Just email it to me. That's not us. You know, when we come out to your home, we're going to meet with you. We want to understand your goals, your priorities. We want to understand what's wrong. We're going to give you an unbelievable inspection. We're going to prove exactly what's wrong. And by doing that through the inspection process and then educating you on it, we're also going to make sure we don't cure symptoms, but root causes. So often when people have these bids, they're not curing the root cause. They're curing symptoms. Oh, my roof wore out after 15 years. Well, that's probably because you never addressed the roofing system, just the shingles. So if you're just looking for a bid or somebody's going to email you a quote, I would encourage you, keep searching. There's tons of contractors out there who will. We're just not one of them. And the last one, buying your own materials. We've tried it. We wish we could do it. We understand it. It's a great way, many people think, to save money. The reality is, though, every time we've done it, There have been issues with the material ordering. And even when we've explained to the client, hey, if there's material issues, that's going to be on you, and you're going to have to pay the team to stand around and wait for you to get this material and get it corrected, it always leads to problems at the end. So we've just moved away from it because we want to deliver an exceptional customer service. That's why we put a 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee on all the work we do, the residential replacements, the residential repairs. We're that committed to delivering an exceptional experience for you. So if these 6 scenarios don't actually pertain to you, man, we would love to help you. And you can get a hold of us by giving us a call at 586-566-0308. You can always click the like and subscribe button because we're going to come out with more content like this. And if you're one of these 6 different buyer types and you're watching this, we'll even send you contractors who we know are going to be willing to participate in these different types of activities. They're just not us, and we'd rather be upfront with you and tell you that now. I hope you got some value from this. I'm hoping you're not one of the 6 types, but even if you are, I sincerely hope you have a Kanga-rific day.